Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, class ninth biology. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter number 6, enzymes. That topic is about substrate concentration. The first question in this topic is, what is the effect of substrate concentration on enzyme action? If enzyme molecules are available in a reaction, increase in substrate concentration increases the rate. The next question is, what is the saturation of active site? When the active sites of all enzymes are occupied at high substrate concentration, any more substrate molecules don't find free active sites. This state is called saturation of active sites, and the reaction rate does not increase. The MCQs may be, the first one is, increase in substrate concentration increases the rate of reaction. And the second one is about saturation of active site. The next topic is about effect of pH on enzyme action. The first question is, what is optimum pH? All enzymes work at their maximum rate at a narrow range of pH that is called as optimum pH. What is the effect of pH change? A slight change in this pH causes retardation in enzyme activity or blocks it completely. Why change in pH affect the active site? Change in pH can affect the ionization of amino acids at the active sites. The MCQs may be, the first one is about optimum pH. The second one is, pepsin is active in acidic medium or low pH, while trypsin works in alkaline medium or high pH. The last topic is about the mechanism of enzyme action and specificity of enzymes. Mechanism of enzyme action. This question is divided into three parts or three models. The first one is enzyme substrate complex model of enzyme action. What is enzyme substrate complex model of enzyme action? When enzyme attaches with substrate, a temporary enzyme substrate complex is formed. Enzyme catalyzes the reaction and substrate is transformed into products. After it, the ES complex breaks and the enzyme and product are released. The next one is about lock and key model. According to this model, both enzyme and substrate possess specific shapes that fit exactly into one another. This model explains enzymes specificity. MCQs may be, the first one is about the enzyme substrate complex formation. The second one is, product is formed after the breakdown of enzyme substrate complex. Emil Fischer in 1894 proposed lock and key model. Lock and key model explains enzyme specificity. The next one is induced fit model. According to this model, active site is not a rigid structure, rather it is molded into the required shape to perform its function. The MCQs may be, the first one is, in 1958, American biologist Daniel Koshland suggested induced fit model. Induced fit model is more acceptable than lock and key model of enzyme action. And the last topic is about specificity of enzymes. Some MCQs are here. There are 2000 known enzymes involved in specific chemical reactions. Enzymes are substrate specific. Protease enzyme breaks proteins and similarly lipase enzyme acts only on lipids. Specificity of enzyme is determined by the shapes of active sites. Active sites have specific geometric shapes. So dear students, today we have discussed the last topic of chapter number 6, enzymes. Inshallah, in the next lecture we shall discuss chapter number 7 of ninth class biology. Till then, Allah Hafiz.